to Taxonomy Online Mathematics. In this video, we are going to provide an answer to question number 27 of just ended June WASSCE 2022 question paper. So in the diagram, the MRW and that of MNST, these straight lines, they are straight lines. The length of MN is equal to that of MR. So the angle is given to us here 110 and another one given to us as 86. We have to find the value of x from here. So looking to this, the moment we are having this line MR and MN to be equal, it makes this triangle here to become isosceles. And we know isosceles triangle have their base angles what? Equal. So we can start with that. So we can start by saying that from the triangle which is an isosceles triangle, so from the isosceles triangle we are having here, we can let the angle which are the base angle and this to be equal to y, meaning they are the same. So if these two angles are equal, then we can say that y plus y that is the angle here plus this angle plus the 110 supposed to give us 180. That is the angles in a triangle, the sum of angles in a triangle. Good. Then this become 2y plus 110, 180. We can send this to the other side, so 2y equals to 180 minus 110. 2y equals to 70 degrees. We are looking for y, so over 2 over 2. That implies that our y equals to what? 35 degrees. It means the angle here is 35. The angle here is 35. We are looking for the x here. But the moment I know this angle, I know I can find the angle that is the base angle of this triangle NRS. I need to know this. We also know that the sum of angles on a straight line, the sum of angles on a straight line also add up to what? 180. Therefore, the angle I just found, 35, plus this angle here, which is angle NRS, plus this angle 86 should give us 180. If we add these three angles, 1, 2, 3, we should get 180. So making this angle the subject, 180 minus 86 plus this will give us 121. So if we subtract that, 5, so we have 59 degrees. It means this angle we are looking for is also 59. Do we get that? But the angle adjacent to 110 is also angles on a straight line. So we can use that also. We can use that by saying that angle 110 plus the angle opposite to it, which is this, will give me what? 180 angles on a straight line. So definitely my angle RNS will be equals to 180 minus 110, and that will give me 70 degrees. So I know here as 70. You can see that from triangle NRS, we can add 59 plus 70 plus x equals to what? 180. This is also a triangle. The sum of angles in a triangle will give us that. But I am looking at a diagram, that's why I'm writing 59, 70. But you have to write angle NRS in this place plus angle RNS in this place plus x before you write this step. Because I am looking at my diagram and yours is going to be on the question paper, not on the answer booklet. So this will be added to give me 129 plus x equals to 180. What do we do? We are looking for the x, so x equals to 180 minus 121, and that will give us 51 degree. So the value of x in that diagram is just what? 51 degrees. I believe that is clear. If no question on that, let's take the next question. That will be question number 28. So a boy of height 1.4 stood 10 meters away from a tree which is of a height 12 meters. We have to calculate the angle of elevation of the boy. So this question is on application of what? Trigonometry, angles of elevation. We know definitely we need a vertical and a horizontal. Which one represents horizontal? The ground. So let's say this is our ground. If there's a tree, it's going to be vertical. So let's say our tree is vertical. The boy is also going to stand on the same ground. So the boy is standing, obviously not too tall or taller than the tree. So the height is 1.4 meter. That of the tree is what? 12. So we have 12 meter high from the ground to the top. Now the boy is standing 10 meter away from the tree, meaning the distance between the tree and that of the boy is what? 10 meter. Now if the boy decided to raise the eye to see the top of the tree, then this is going to be our line. We have this, the boy is having the eye here. The eye is going to form a horizontal line where this is going to be the angle of elevation that we are asked to find. Someone will say that they are saying that find the angle of elevation of the top of the tree from the boy's eye. So the person would like to find the angle here. Then I have to explain to you that angle of elevation is always measured up a horizontal line. There should be a horizontal, there should be an angle. The angle inclined on top of a horizontal is the angle of elevation. This is going to be angle of what? Depression if I'm to draw a horizontal. So we cannot use here to be angle of elevation. Rather, the angle from the boy's eye make with the horizontal line, that is the eye level, the eye level. If I am here, my eye level is like this. If I raise my eye, the angle I will fall on top of the eye level is what we are calling as the angle of elevation. From here to here, you can see this diagram form what? A rectangle. So if here is 10, here is also what? 10. So I will label here to be 10 meter as well. Don't forget that from here to here is what we are calling what? 12 meter. If this place to this place is taken as 1.4, then the remaining one is going to be 12 minus 1.4, and that will be 10.6 meter. I believe you get it. So now our diagram here is a right angle triangle where the angle is facing here. This is going to be adjacent. So I can use the trig ratio, which make use of opposite and adjacent as what? Tan. So tan of the angle theta equals to the opposite side 10.6 over the adjacent side, which is what? 10. We are looking for the angle. So we find tan inverse. So theta equals to tan inverse of 10.6 over what? 10. And if you find tan inverse on that, you are going to have theta equals to 46.668. But we are asked to find to the nearest what? Degree. the nearest degree is going to be, this is a degree, the whole number. These are decimal. This number is more than 5. So it's taken as 1. Added to this one, we'll have 47 degree. And that would have been the possible answer B. 47 degree will be the height. Sorry, the angle that the eye of the boy makes with the top from the eye of the boy. So this is just simple application of what? Trigonometry. Alright. If this is the first time you are coming across this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, or give a thumbs up to the video if you like it. Share with your colleagues or anybody you think might need this, and definitely leave your comment below so that we learn together. See you in the next episode as we take question number 29.